G'day everyone, my name's Julian. I'm here with mostly the mechanical team. We're just going to give you a quick update for February, what we've been doing in the last month and what's coming up. There is a bit of rain happening at the moment and we're in a tin roof studio, so if you hear anything, that's probably what it is. Look, in general, the business, most of our focus at the moment is on manufacturing, which is why we're giving you a detailed update. It's pretty exciting times, and we're really ploughing on to forwards getting these bikes on the road later this year. So we'll start off with Rob, who's head of our production setup, and he'll give you a bit of an update.
Yeah, so this month we've engaged some electronics, a new electronics team to take the design that we've got now and productionise it. They're really progressing really well and it's looking good. We've also been looking into the systems that we need to put in place to support the bikes once they hit the ground. So we've got apps, a server, and how they communicate to the bike. So we're looking at how we develop that, and it's looking pretty good. Last month we mentioned that we would be up in China to place the first purchase order for 500 bikes with our manufacturer. Unfortunately, coronavirus sort of threw some spanners in the works there. Luckily, our supplier is very proactive and they've been up and running for a few weeks now, and we were able to sign the purchase order with them a few weeks back via a video conference. So far the virus has not delayed us at all. We're monitoring the situation, but it's all full steam ahead at this point. And maybe Sam can give us some updates on where he's at.
Yep, so pretty busy as usual. We've had some extra additions into the CAD model for the frame. So those were some features, the pretty high-end sort of features that help with the manufacturing. So a lot to do with the way that the weld detail and the tools interact. So Jon can tell you about that in a minute. Some other things that I've been working on are the kickstand, which you guys have seen before. We've made that even better than it was, so nice and strong and works really well. Probably the main thing that you guys haven't seen yet is the front carrier. So this is one of our original shape profiles that we did. So we've been doing a lot of work currently in making sure that the LED or the lights, the headlights in the design are up to the spec that we need, so you can ride safely and nicely in the dark. So a little bit about the front carrier. We've designed it to bolt onto the front of the bike. So some features that you can't see in here are some details about how you can strap your goods into the carrier. So things like your keys, your wallet, your phone, handbag, groceries, physical lock if you have a heavy duty lock. You can put that into this front carrier. It's nice and small. Strap it all in and off you go. So we're pretty excited to show that to you, and probably even more excited to show you the real thing on the production bike. So look forward to that.
Okay.
Well, I'm working on the weld detail of the frame. So what I want to implement is something called a jogger on the two half of the frame. They are basic folding on two sides of the frame that allow us to self-locate and align the frame together. So this allows anyone, a welder with basic welding skill, will be able to do the job consistently, giving you quality result.
Yeah. Cool.
Then the next thing I'm working on is on the rail carrier. Well, it's going to be lighter, easy to operate, definitely more beautiful than what it is now. Yeah.
Sounds good.
Always the beauty.
Yeah.
Alright, next month. So as you may have already heard, our main goal at the moment is to progress all these designs to the point where they're easier to manufacture so that we can press the button on tooling. We plan to do that next month, so we hope to tell you about that in the next update. Meanwhile, the electronics will continue to be progressed, and again, we'll have some updates on that next month. We're going to continue speaking to our suppliers through our contract manufacturer just to figure out who's making what, where, and how the logistics works, and how the assemblies will come together for the final product. So stay tuned for that. We'll be back next month.
So that's manufacturing update for February. We as you can see, lots of things are happening, and even more will start happening soon because we're looking to bring on 1, possibly 2 more people, mainly for the mechanical team. The electronics team is awesome and already we've got enough people on that. So stay tuned for that. And we just, as we go forward, we'll just keep showing you all the things that are finished, and hopefully soon we'll be pitching some go and some tooling. So thanks everyone, and we look forward to updating you soon. Cheers.
See you later.